good morning. Last minute impromptu ride. Wasn't going to bother today with having a long day yesterday. Got schoolboy error. Not charged everything up. I'll rephrase that. I thought I had, but turns out I haven't. So I've got the intercom on charge in the top box. I forgot to check my car door last night, so I've got it on a power bank in top box. Jolene's going to meet us. You know that SO garage up A59 near Bowker garage?
Yes.
She's going to meet us there at 9:30, but she was still getting a bike out at 2:45, so we'll be alright. So I'll check it then. I sent you a new map this morning.
Oh, I've not picked it up.
The only difference is we're not doing. We can jump up motorway because Luke's not here.
Yeah.
That's the only alteration I've made.
Alright, the seated gear, but it's not a factory. You know what I mean?
That should be full now.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Revisiting some albums yesterday.
Hello,
brilliant.
talk, DNC, intercom, mode.
Yesterday afternoon I was at father-in-law's doing his roof.
Yeah.
And I just had it. I'm just, yeah, we're listening to that. Brilliant. I've not heard it for years. Absolutely years. Oh.
Hey?
Can't fit much in there, can you? Bloody hell.
Well, that's the trouble, isn't it? If I were to get the genuines, if you get it all wrong and you can't lift the lid up.
Yeah. I suppose it's alright for bits and bobs, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
Put most of your main gear in panniers, can't you?
I mean, I'll be honest with you, the last few weeks I've been thinking about what you said, you know, about soft ones and that. And I was watching a bike thing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And he does a bag, and it's an SW Mortec bag that just goes on there, and he reckons it's big enough for 2 weeks.
Oh, yeah, it will be.
Yeah. Too late, we're going home now. Too late, we're going home now.
Text me on 6, and then I suddenly realised I haven't got my bag on. What's in my bag? Fucking cards.
Do you have to go back?
Huh?
Do you go back?
No, I'm going along the M6 going, what shall I do? What the fuck shall I do? I've got enough fuel.
Anyway, shall we make tracks?
Yeah. Good to go.
We've had our full breakfast, wait. Right, I've got you on, Tony.
Yeah.
Are you on?
Angus Dangus. Red wine. They've got their own red wine as well.
Hey?
UB40. Red wine. They've got their own wine.
Have they?
Yeah.
Don't put your gloves on yet.
See? Oh, yeah, she's...
Right, it's on.
Is it on?
She's on. Well,
Hey.
it's turned on. It's turned on.
That grouping.
Start grouping.
Not doing anything.
Are you still grouping? Yeah. Let's try it the manual way, shall we?
Yeah.
You're still grouping. Hello? I've lost everybody then. I think we've done this wrong, haven't we? We started you flashing first before Tony.
Oh.
Do you want to turn mine off then?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Grouping success.
Yes.
Who am I grouped with? Hey!
Can't hear you, no.
No.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes!
Right.
Yay!
Right. I know how to do it now. Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah. Stupid bloody things. Whose idea was it? Buy these? Right, I'll have to turn this down now because.
Sorry.
No, I bought the JBL speakers and they're a lot louder than the standard ones. What do you think?
Nowhere near anyone, am I? Yeah.
Right, okay, sorted. There's quite a few out today. Seize the day.
Okay.
Yep. Right. Kid.
You put me in the middle again.
Absolutely.
Oh, bugger.
Left. Dear Ribchester.
So have you got used to all its little quirkiness then?
Well, there's still things I'm working out.
Now to touch the ground.
Yeah,
Mind
flat
you,
foot.
It's a lot lower than mine, isn't it?
Yeah, it's it's flat footing on it nearly, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's the lower frame.
Right, shorty. Oh, by the way, your stinky winkies are turned off.
It's usually the other way around.
I know.
Hey, and the self-cancelling indicators on there.
They are.
And he still ends up leaving them on. How do you work that one out? Now we're talking. This is not a bad road either, actually, if I
This is
remember
good,
rightly.
this, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice road, this. mean, when we went out last time, I was gobsmacked by how many new stone builds there are
Yeah.
around. Like, people are actually spending serious money having them built of stone.
They look authentic. Yeah.
They actually, they look a bit better when they've been weathered, like, you know, they're about
Okay.
2 or 3 years old. It's a cracking road, this.
Gorgeous.
Little town we're in now.
Ribchester.
Currant button, get out.
Oh, fun.
Yeah, son.
Oh. Sorry, I haven't
Sorry.
heard rhyming slang for a long time.
Ramen slang, yeah.
Shall we show Jolene Brideshead Revisited, Tony?
Yeah, go on then.
Sounds interesting.
Tony, I don't
That
want
was a
you...
TV programme, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I don't want you running across the field naked, though. You can spare her that.
Oh, that's good. Thank you.
Yeah, so the last time we were up here we were on VFRs.
Yeah.
Hey Stuart, now you've got this GS, the GS riders mod it, you know.
They throw the knickers at me.
Do they? This church here. Just green. It's open as well. Look at that house down there. Bloody hell.
Just. Don't
Kit
you
Wooden
find
one.
though? Wow. Oh, I love that.
Look at that. Oh yeah.
Don't you find though you've got more time to look around when you're this high up?
Yeah.
So your VFRs weren't hunched over like mine. You've got a bit more time to actually look around
Yeah.
at everything.
Yeah, it's a absolute transformation, these.
Yeah.
So much upper body movement now than the VFRs were awful. Much more enjoyable riding on this than it was on that.
We didn't realise it at the time, did we really?
Yeah, I think we are going to see the sun because it's definitely lifting over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jolene, are you ready for this?
Fun.
Well, we go round this corner.
What, the graveyard?
Yeah, graveyard, yeah.
There's a monument on the left.
Oh.
But they did actually redo that, wasn't I? Can't remember who it is now.
Okay, this.
Ave Maria.
Oh, look at this, yeah.
Oh my god.
This is a school, would you believe?
Really?
Yeah. And they wouldn't let us go down the drive. Said, no, you can't go down there. Like going up to Stormont.
Yeah. Stunning that, isn't it?
Yeah, look at that. Copper roof as well on the right, the green. Copper's turned green.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Get shut and gates.
Lovely place. Steeped in history, that place, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gotta be. Even the swans are here. Hey, the swans weren't here last time.
No.
Wow.
There wasn't anything last time we came. Beautiful place.